Hello everybody. On our last video we made our door and our key, and now we want to make it so if we grab our key will now disappear, and then we can come up here and get to the door and then move on to the next level. Now first off we need to make our key um, be able to be seen. So what we want to do is if the character and our character is defined here runs into our key, then something happens. So key already has a variable name. So let's call this key rectangle. So that's just a rectangle around the key. So, and character is defined here. So what we can do is we can say if um, character dot collide rect, if it collides rect with key rect, so that's saying if the key and the character touch, what's going to happen? Let's have it turn the key found to true. What that means is we're going to create some variable out here, and let's call it key found. And at first, there's not going to be a key found. And if we interact with it or collide with it, key found is going to turn to true. So that's great. And so where we draw our key rect, what we'd have to do is if um, key found equals false. So we're only going to blit this if the key found is false. If the key found is true, then um, things will be great. Now, if I ran this, I think there's going to be an error. Let's see what happens. Oh, looks like it's running. Oh, looks like it worked out perfect. Great. And now we just need to make it so I can enter the door. All right, so our key disappears, and now we want to figure out how to get through our door. Um, so we got to find out where our door is blitted. Here we blit the door, and we'll have to name this. Let's call it door rect. And so now we're going to do the same thing that we did before as with the character. If character dot collide rect, if the character collides with the door, first we're going to check to see if key found is true. If key found equals true, um, so for right now, so let's say they have the key and they enter the door. Let's just print you win just in our shell, just to make sure this is working correctly. Well, something's not working correctly. Oh, if character it collides with door rect. I forgot that's what the name was that I called it. Alright, so now our characters are going down and I'm jumping. Hopefully I don't fall and make a fool out of myself on such an easy game. And now I can go up and look. It's saying I win. Wonderful. Now we have to figure out what to do when we win.